Today, on our way to have strip mall Mexican for dinner, we come together to honor Birdie Bird. Our soft friend, he was feathered in a plume of creamy white and soft orange with a gentle song that filled his home with warmth and wonder. From his very first trill, Birdie Bird brought a sense of hope and joy that touched everyone who heard him. Birdie's greatest adventure began when he flew beside Lori, bringing her comfort on an airplane from sunny California to Serenity Ridge in Michigan. Safe in his little travel cage, he gazed out at clouds and coastlines, his spirit undimmed by distance. That journey marked not just a change of scenery, but the start of a new chapter, one shared with Lori, Bill, Kyle, Allie, and Lucky. After Birdie's passing, Lori tenderly placed him in the freezer, wanting to hold on to every feather and flash of orange she could. It was a gesture born of profound love and a testament to how deeply a tiny bird can nest in our souls. And it wasn't creepy at all. May Birdie Bird's sweetness of spirit continue to inspire us. Perhaps we'll leave a window open at dawn, inviting a breeze to carry our thoughts aloft to the realm of angels, where we imagine him perched on the clouds, his melody weaving through heavenly choruses. In honoring Birdie, we learn how fiercely small creatures can shape our world, and how their songs, once shared, become everlasting. Rest in peace, sweet, soft, little Birdie Bird.